Okay, so this is what I'm opening today. This is what I'm opening today. Magic the Gathering, Universes Beyond, The Lord of the Rings, Tales of Middle Earth, Aragorn of Helm's Deep. This is a art set. It's got 6 scene cards, 3 set boosters, and 6 art cards and display easels. The art cards themselves are supposed to be able to make the scene that you see on the cover of the box, and it comes with an easel. Comes with all you see here. We're going to open this up. I'm recording this for prosperity because I've seen online that some people were getting different scenes in their boxes, and I got all 4 scenes because I want all 4 scenes. I mean, here's Gandalf, still not open yet, and I'm waiting on the other 2. They're still coming. But yeah, I got all 4 scenes because I wanted all 4 scenes, not 2 of 1. So we're gonna find out here. Look at that easel. I think that's the easel. That is the easel. It's the back of the easel. These are the slots for the cards. And the great thing is you could either use, as I said, it comes with the 6 scene cards and their actual text for the cards, and then it comes with 6 art cards of the scene. And you can use either one to be putting in the easel there. I think these are it here. Here's the 3 set boosters. Let's go ahead and start with these art cards here. Or the scene. I want to see the scene. All you say is Zuzu. And Zuzu. Oof. They got some curvature on them already. Very nice. Glad I got the right scene there.
Are you going to hold them up for the camera?
I'm going to do the art card.
How did you do that so fast? You stick to the gizmos, Beta. This is my seat. Okay. I'll see you.
What was those?
They're the scene cards, but they weren't the art cards. These are the scene cards that are the art cards. Okay, let's get this bad boy.
There's this thing called Avenger Con. And it's really something incredible. It's the first fan event celebrating our great heroes of our time, and
Very nice. These are the scene cards. These are the same cards as these, except it has the lettering on them to tell you what the card is. It's just those are the art card.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, it says the
you do trust me, right?
The text, what the card does in battle.
No, I don't.
Very nice. All right, that's the video. Thank you, baby. I got one more to make out.
All right.